Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you Civics first chapter, Understanding Diversity. Today we will discuss the diversity. First of all, while you are in classroom, just look around you. Do you see anyone who looks exactly like you or similar to you? What we are going to discuss here is people are different in each other in many ways. Their religion, their lifestyle, their culture, everything is different from each other. And also they are comes from different background, different state and different country. India India is diverse country. Diversity can also a part of unity. So India is a unity in diversity. Why India is called as a unity in diversity? In India, people following different religion, different culture, then also they are living together. So that's why India is called as a unity in diversity. In India, people do not look exactly like each other. Their culture also differ, their taste, their lifestyle, etc. totally different from each other. Now I will give one example. Two people are talking in Hindi language, but it is not easy for the people of other state. But most of the people knows the language of Hindi. It is a national language of our country. But our country is having different languages. Then also people are communicating with each other and living together. I will give one more example. Shamir 1 and Shamir 2 both are from different religion. But then also they are trying to communicating with each other. One they made the effort to do so because this was what was important to them. Shamir 1 and Shamir 2 both are coming from different religion. Shamir is Hindu while Shamir 2 is Muslim. Different religion and different cultural background such as there are an aspect of